Hey, kai adoya dogoragia mageta na woko Woiii.
No, talk English, he doesn't understand.
When these people that go here from 6 to whatever time can call up people to become this like a movement.
He was.
I fear them.
He was wild.
Hey, bring cognac. Put.
Yeah, he drink.
See, beautiful girl.
Dancing like this.
Even him. Dancing like this. Saraiva.
He want one. He is hyena.
He's asked, where is baby T? Where is baby T? He said, she gets married sometimes. I say, why? Me, his dress got turned.
So, listen. When he drink, he is drunk. He miss you now.
Somehow.
His heart start opening.
That is number 3.
Yes, number 3.
Number 4. We come, we push. It's my tea,
yes.
Sabina Woiii. Horasta 770 hash. Shayo na go netoko ya na ado 20. Giri. Shayo ha baby tea.
Star 770 hash.
770 hash.
Shagora box yemwe.
Igana remu hau. Giri yemwe. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, Stacy.
Tell me.
Stacy, go with the microphone.
Yes.
Say, people don't know. She's shouting why. Put. She should also start these things of rent.
Like boss.
Same.
Like our boss in WhatsApp group. After he talk.
People there see with the mouth.
Yes.
Erikomondi.
I hear him.
Samido.
They came in Napa.
Gasheri for Chef Gadeba.
Gasheni.
Karaiko. Oh, she's Gasheni.
She's Gasheni for me. Gasheni of Mugidi. Sorry.
Dibu.
Yes.
Now let me tell you.
Yes, Modondi.
The 4th one. Here we come. Oh, and the maestro. Murima maestro.
Sabina Woiii.
Maestro. Sabina Woiii. Sabina Woiii.
Yes.
Is like who? Goes to Taylor. Let me tell you.
He make one like
He's measured.
Yes.
Shoulders, ankle,
yes.
stomach, length.
I saw him on TikTok do that.
Then he says, Motigaire de Medio was putting kofia. He puts the kofia. He goes there. He sings. People, they make noise. Ho. Let me tell you.
Tell me, Modoni.
Goni Wadoira takes the microphone.
Yes.
And ask.
Yes.
The more can you Njogu Wachira? Haya, sesida darumo shoki. The more can you
Haya. Wanda weko ni vyo tuira ya. Haya.
The more can you Njogu Wachira? The more kwenda inarege. Goni thinks these fans they are drunk.
Yes.
Let me ask again.
He is not sure.
Rohongo and Neido edition. Rohongo and Neido edition. The more can you Njogu Wachira? The more kwenda inarege. Goni Wadoita, I hear he's a man of Adhuria Kiama. Man of Kiama.
Yes, the man of miracle.
He's a man of miracle.
Ama is a man of truth. The Kiama.
He goes back. You know he's not like duty master.
Yes.
This Goni,
he has to make sure.
You see, when we want to Koja, that boy who was singing there at a son of Hoka.
Yes.
He grew on the streets.
Yes.
So those children and those Hokas, Sakaja is chasing the children. Those children are going to be the Goni.
Yes. 2 of tomorrow.
Very dumb.
Yes.
polished, not drama like us, not controversy like us. His controversy is chini ya maji.
Yes, the way you have said he is a man of the
he's
miracle.
like a cat.
Yes.
You can't see his poo-poo. He's top.
Yes.
Those are the for miracle.
Yes.
He goes again.
The third time now.
Yes.
Just to confirm.
For the last time. As we wait for Dr. Wajiko to call him.
Yes. And we are the fans with it.
He asked. Nemwode tega tonye. Nemwokwenda mugeithie. Nemwode tasiyo wito. Nemwode tawima fest. Nemwode takaraiko. Amoinera rege. Nemwokeni ane Njogu Wachira. Amoinera rege. The guy.
Igorera kamera ojo kihoroshia.
Wait, sir, you will be reached.
The guy is now having peace. Even Jerry for Oshoro for Madasho. He can't he can't rejuvenate him because of this.
Let me ask you, how is the guy now, the maestro man? How did he come out?
Talk to media.
The maestro guy. This is the
and Akere,
yes.
The Wakirumba, he said, we are not there.
Yes.
I Mukamba girl was not there.
Yes, and he was saying,
yes.
And the Kappa boy.
Yes.
And he was saying, we are the one who frustrated his
and Man Saimo was not there.
Yes.
Talk to media.
Talk English.
I talk English.
Yes. Pro with the fans.
Kuhagera gweta watu. Ikabas has decided to kuhagera me.
To put you on fire. To cook you.
To cook me.
What happened, Maestro?
Actually, ignore completely any story or any information that tries to insinuate that my performance was anything below par. It was an exemplary performance.
Yes. And you remember you are on Al Jazeera with a red shoe or between, like the Donny man.
It was an exemplary performance.
Yes, sir.
I want to clear what you have just said.
Yes. Did the people answer that way?
They answered that.
Yes.
Okay. It's Al Jazeera. We are in Al Jazeera.
So up to here, nobody has equated that. Yes.
Did people, Mr. Michael, just we go slowly because we have seen Kenyans who come say, are you at $1 billion? 5 billion? No. 1 billion? Okay. We've seen Kenyans here.
Have you ever sang anywhere else? Answer the question as asked.
We are asking. Did people say, have you been Kenyaed by Njogu? Do you want him to sing again? They said no. Yes, talk to media.
Yes, they said no.
This is a truth moment.
Yes.
Now,
I like it.
Yes.
But I decided to reach out.
Yes.
To the people.
To find out.
Yes.
I'm not going to go.
Just go on. We get you.
We have translators here. Continue with what you can.
I decided to reach out some of the true fans who are there on the ground.
Yes.
I'm now not talking about people who are not on the ground.
Yes.
Ni kware na mundu to MC Karo Jarara na ni kware na mundu gwetwo Kariuki wa Vista
ego gachagua
neo marega
egera reu ragwetia gachagua ego amonyoro
ogeikoro ka thikiriria ground ukiona we hari iguru nduraigua wega ogeikoro ka ground
ni ndama consult ile gimoria niki gatuma mugedi kaine riki
ne Kariuki wa Vista na muna
na Karo Jarara ni amware da consult ile makejira kumana noria turaigua tugikenio niwe Murimas Maestro sigeda okonogithia kabo to inagera in beats tutigera okonogithia na nikyo tutakwenda wiki atia
okira ni uguthuguma oriri
so ne kobacirira na gutumberia kiheo
okira muthuri
kobacirira gutumberia kiheo matikwenda nogithio